Hello class 11th. Today I will explain here universal gates. Okay, universal gates are what? Universal gates which are used to release other logic gates. Means what? With the help of universal gates we can get the output of other gates. Means sometimes you can see here कि this is AND gate. This one is returning this will return some value. So same value you can also get with the help of universal gates. That's why it is called universal. Universal means what? All rounder. Clear? So universal gate which are used to release other logic gates or circuits known as universal gates. So two logic gates here given in your book, NAND gate and NOR gate. So two gates you are used as a universal gates. So now first one is what? NAND, second is a NOR. So here I will tell you how can you use NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate with the place of AND gate. Means what? कैसे आप NAND gate की help से AND gate के output को find out करेंगे. How can you get the output of the AND gate with the help of NAND gate? Same thing next step I will tell you how can you get the output of the NAND gate with the help of output of the OR gate with the help of NAND gate. So here you can see here NAND gate. But first you try to understand the meaning of AND gate. AND gate is what? Just I am showing here ki how AND gate will work. So A B 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, when you will write it A dot B means dot means what? You know na, dot means what? And what I have already told ki how AND gate will return the output. Suppose anyone is, if all are 1 then it will return 1, otherwise 0. So here only this line 1 1 both are 1 then it will return 1, or other cases you can see 0. So this is the output of the AND gate. So how can you, with the help of this diagram, means what? This is logic diagram of the AND gate. A B when you will pass, this is the AND gate, this is the AND gate, so it will return A dot B. Means what? When you will pass 0 0 0 0 it will return 0. When you will pass 1 0 it will return 0. When you will pass 1 1 it will return 1. So now I will show here ki how can you get the same output with the help of NAND gate. So for that you will draw the 3 NAND gates. You will use here 3 NAND gates. Okay, so in both the NAND gates you pass here A B. Okay, you pass it here and check these output will go in the third one. So now you check here with the first example 0 0. So this is a NAND gate. NAND gate means what? First and then not. So 0 0 and क्या होगा? 0 reverse 1. Same thing here 0 0 0 0 0 reverse 1 1 1 will come here. Here again NAND gate, तो 1 1 and होगा 1 और reverse 0. Clear? So this same output you can see here. Now take the third one 1 0 1 0. How can you do this one? 1 0. 1 means what? A is 1, B is what? 0. So when it will come here, so 1 AND gate पे पहले होगा फिर ये, because this is a 9 means what? And then not. So 1 0 1 0 will come in AND gate and reverse it. So 1 0 0 reverse 1. Same thing here 0 0 is 0 1 0 again 1 0. The same output will come 1 1 1 1 will come in and then 1 and reverse 9 हो जाएगा 0. So you can see same output. Clear? So we can say that here कि this circuit will work as a this one. Yeah, both are equal. The place of this one you can use. That's why NAND gate is universal gate, because you can use this one the place of AND gate. Okay, so second one you can see here how will you use with the OR gate. Okay, here you can see OR gate. So same thing, you know, A plus B is OR gate. What is the rule for the OR gate? If anyone is 1 it will return 1. So here 1 1 1, this is a 1, in this one no 1, that's a 0. This is a diagram for this. So now how will you again 3 NAND gate is required, but here you will pass AA BB. Clear? In that one you have passed AB, here you pass AA BB. So means what? First I am taking the first input 0 0 means A is 0, तो यहाँ A है दोनों टाइम, तो दोनों 0 0 0 0 will come in NAND gate. NAND means what? And then not. So 0 0 0 reverse 1, and B is also 0, so B will both 0. 0 0 0 1 1 1 will come in AND gate. Okay, AND gate में 1 1 क्या होगा? 1 होगा, और नॉट कर देंगे तो 0. So you can see same. अब एक एग्जाम्पल और लेते हैं. थर्ड वन आई एम टेकिंग हियर. 1 0 means what? A is 1 1 1. 1 1 will come here and reverse it. 1 1 1 reverse 0. Now B is what? 0 0 0 0 1 1. तो 0 1 यहाँ आएगा, तो 0 1 एंड में क्या होगा? 0 रिवर्स 1. So you can see here the same output this one is giving like this one. So you can also use the place of OR gate. Last one is a NOT gate. NOT gate means what? If input is A, only one input you can take here, 0 1. So what will be the output? 1 0. So look here, this is the AND gate. 1 is going there. You are passing suppose 0, it will return 1. When you are passing 1, it will return 0. So same output you can get with the help of NAND gate. So one NAND gate is required here. A you pass here. A will come here. Suppose this one 0 0 0 0 0 0 will come here 0 and reverse 1. So you can see the example here. Okay. So now suppose we are passing 1 1 1 1 1 will come here 1 and then reverse 0. So 0. So same thing here कि this circuit, this one you can use the place of this. Okay, so these gates are given here. You can check with all the inputs and draw on your copy. Okay, so God bless you. Thank you.